Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change Z offset in Creality print. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now look at the very top left corner of your main screen where your printer name is listed. So right here, as you can see, Creality K2 Pro 0.4 nozzle. So next to it, you will see a pencil edit icon. So click on that one and it will immediately open up the large window printer settings. Now stay here on basic information. So let's switch to this one, or okay, leave it like that. So right here, basic information, leave it on that. And now go here, right, and printable space. So under here you will see down the offset, and this one you can now basically change the values. So to lower the nozzle, you can enter negative values. So to raise the nozzle, you will enter a positive value, but you must type a 0 before the decimal point. So you need to do like so, 0.05 for example. So this is the correct way. You can't do this like so, that you put minus 0 and then point 0.05. Yeah, so this is not the right way, so this is the correct way how to do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.